Hey everyone, welcome back to House of Farid. Today we are installing the latest version of ArkOS on R36S clone and checking how well it performs. Basically, the clone uses the same hardware as the original R36S, just with a few different parts like the RAM, display and sound module. For this test, I will be using the G80CA-MB V1.2 board, which according to my testing comes with panel 9. Alright then, let's jump right in. Step number 1. Backup stock files. First thing, backup your all DTB files and EasyRoms. I already have my EasyRoms backed up, so I will skip this part. Now insert your SD card into a card reader and plug it into your computer. Go to the boot partition, copy the 2 DTB files and save them somewhere safe. Step number 2. Identify display panel. Next, let's identify which display panel we are using and make sure the latest ArkOS is compatible. Go to this website and select ArkOS K36 and upload your DTB file, and the site will identify your panel automatically. Step number 3. If it's compatible, awesome. Let's prepare the SD card for ArkOS. Delete all existing partitions, then format the full card as ext file. I'm using Minitool partition wizard, but you can use any partition software you like. Step number 4. Flash ArkOS image. Now we will use Rufus portable version to flash ArkOS. Open Rufus, select the extracted ISO file. I use 7-zip to unpack it and leave all settings as default. Hit start and wait for the flashing to finish. Once it's done, your SD card is ready for configuration. Step number 5. Select correct DTB type. Now open the boot partition on the SD card to run the file called DTB selector win32.exe. Press enter to start, then select number 5. Clone R36S and hit enter. Now choose number 4. Clone type 2. Since we're using G80CA-MB V1.2 with panel 9, this option also works for panel 8. So you are fully covered. And that's it, the SD card is now ready to boot. Step number 6. Boot and final setup. Insert the SD card into your R36S clone, then hold the power button for about 2 seconds. The system will boot up and do some initial setup tasks. Once it's done, shut it down. Now open your EasyRoms backup back to your SD card. Only the games folders are needed. Reinsert the SD card, power it on again, and you are ready to enjoy the new ArkOS. And that's how you install the latest ArkOS on your R36S clone. Quick, clean and simple. Try it in your device and let me know in the comments if you face any issues or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to House of Farid for more tech mods and tutorials. See you in the next one.